My name is Justin Jones. I'm the facilities manager of Magnolia Bakery. I manage the 10 facilities we have nationwide. Our budgeted numbers have gone lower since finding good vendors that do it at a reasonable price. I would say particularly in our HVAC and refrigeration, for sure. It's lowered a lot more than what we used to. When we're seeing less and less work orders come through for that equipment by having good vendors that actually do preventative maintenance well. The main thing for me is having the receipts and saying, this is what the vendor said, this is what we're getting done. And I think it saves a lot of time following up with vendors, and it really does save a lot of time on the accounting end as well. Before Rescue, we used to have to call each individual vendor, and we'd have to follow up with them consistently. We'd have to call them, get them here. And then when it came to billing time, we'd have 50, 60 different invoices for how many stores we have, and it was very difficult to manage, especially on the accounting end and streamlining in the process. So if you're getting questions about billing, you can see it all right there on platform. It's right there for you. So there's not really much to question. In the past, it was questions all the time. Now it's pretty much plain and simple right in front of you. Well, everything was streamlined. Everything was right there in front of you, and all you had to do was just look at the invoice and approve the invoice to see what your spend is on certain pieces of equipment. So if my fridge keeps breaking down, and there's clearly a problem with the fridge, and it helped us to manage that and to find the issues that we didn't know we had. I can recall one time I actually had to go on vacation, and our hot water heater broke down the day before I was about to go on vacation, and the team at Rescue just kind of took it over, and they were like, here's who I've called, here's their numbers, here's Magnolia's numbers, and we're good to go. And by the time I had come back, it was all set and working fine. We have a lot more time to focus on bigger projects, like we're doing a refresh of our branding, doing new paint jobs, getting everything fixed that we've been wanting to fix for years, because I have the time to step away from the vendor contact side of things. At Magnolia Bakery, we appreciate the relationship with Rescue because it really has helped us save our time, money, and sanity at the end of the day.